Hello, civil engineers. Welcome to Civically United, your one-stop solution for all civil engineering notes and doubts. Today's topic is types of deep foundation. There are two types of deep foundation, pile foundation and well foundation. Pile foundation is used when the load is to be transferred to the underground strata due to poor bearing capacity of the surface soil. Pile is a slender structural membrane made up of concrete, steel, timber, etc. Classification of pile. It is classified into two, load-bearing pile and non-load-bearing pile. Under non-load-bearing pile, there are sheet pile, compaction pile, anchor pile, batter pile, and fender pile. Under load-bearing pile, there are end-bearing pile and friction pile. End-bearing pile. These piles rest on hard strata. These act as column or piers, adapted where hard strata available for 10 to 15 meter. Friction pipe generate load bearing capacity by friction. Total frictional resistance developed on sites is equal to the load coming on the pipe. Frictional force is called skin friction. Compaction pile. Compaction piles are used to compact soil to increase load bearing capacity. These are not load bearing piles. Example, sand bearing piles. Sheet pile used to retain the earth to reduce seepage flow of water in hydraulic structure. Example, timber pile, steel pile, not load-bearing piles. Anchor pile. These are used to provide anchorage against pulling and pushing force. Batter pile are inclined piles to resist inclined force. Fender pile. Piles used to protect structures like dock against impact from ship or floating object. Well foundation is well-type structure which built at ground level and sunk into the soil at required depth. Bridge pier will be resting on the top of the well foundation. Bottom of the well is plugged with concrete. The top is covered with a well cap. Types of well foundation: circular, double deep, dumbbell, rectangular, twin circle, twin hexagonal. Well sinking operation: laying the well curb, masonry in well steining, sinking, completion of well. Thank you, civil engineers.